an irrational number. Prove that each of the following is an irrational number. There are problems. Root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2. Second, 3 minus root 2. Third, root 5 minus 2. Prove that the following are irrational numbers. The following.
Sir, by which method? Contradiction
Yes,
method?
yes. Now this morning you told me that one more method, division method is there for root 3 and root 5. In 8th standard we have done how to find square root, correct? Using division method. 8th standard last year. We have seen how to find square root using division method. So that division method for root 3, root 5 will work. But for such type of problem, that division method will not work. We have to apply method of contradiction.
Sir, for this problem we have to use contradiction
Yes,
method.
yes. See, normally whichever problem it comes, show that it is irrational number. In maximum number of problem, this method of contradiction will work. So I will advise you always use method of contradiction in order to prove that it is an irrational number.
Yes, sir.
So let us prove first one.
Sir.
First one, show that root 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Root 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Now we'll use method of contradiction. So we assume wrong assumption. We want to prove that it is irrational number. I will assume that suppose they are rational number. So suppose root 3 plus root 2 is a rational number. Is a rational number.
Sir, black.
Yes. So we want to prove that it is an irrational number. I will use method of contradiction, and I will assume that suppose root 3 plus root 2 is a rational number. So that means let root 3 plus root 2 is equal to what we have written in the morning? A upon B. Yes. Root 3 is equal to A upon B we have written, no, rational number. But here it is not single term. There are two terms, root 3 and root P. Root 3 and root 2 both are there. So instead of rational number A by B, I will write X. Where X is rational number. Where X is rational number.
Sir, why you do that?
Because see,
Yes.
when there is single term, whenever it is root 3 or root 2, one term is there, we take rational number as A upon B. But there are two terms. For two terms, we use X method. Remember this. One term, use A upon B method. Two terms, use X method. Use X method. Is it clear? So root 3 plus root
Sir,
2.
when there are two terms, you have to use X method.
You have to use X method. Because if you write A by B, that calculation will be complicated. To avoid that complication in the calculation, we use X method. So root 3 plus root 2 is X, where X is rational number. So now squaring both sides, we square both the side. Squaring both side. So this you remember, one term A by B method, two terms X method. Squaring both the side, so root 3 plus root 2 square is equal to X square, A plus B whole square.
Sir, we can do different brackets, separate brackets, And then we can write root 3 square.
No, squaring both the side. Whole part you have to square. So whole part you have to square.
Yes, sir. Your video is off. We cannot
Yes,
see.
sir, I love you.
Whole part you have to square. So root 3 plus root 2.
Sir, but your video is off.
Yes, it will come. Don't worry.
Sir, barabar.
Root 3 plus root 2 whole square. We square both the side. Whole square it will be, not square of each separate. So root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Now use a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square formula we use? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab. 2ab plus b square. So now the same thing we apply there. Root 3 square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2 plus root 2 square is equal to x square. Root 3 square, root 3 into root 3, 3 plus 2 into root 3 into root 2. Yes, I have told you.
Root 6.
Root 6. We cannot add root a. We cannot add root a and root b. We cannot subtract root a and root b. But we can multiply and divide root a and root b. So root, we take common root, then 3 into 2, 6. So root 6
Plus 2.
plus root 2 square is 2 is x square. Now 3 plus 2,
5.
these two I cannot add because this contain root 6, this does not contain root 6.
Yes,
So
sir, yes.
they are not like terms. If they are not like terms, we cannot add. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to x square. Now we simplify. Yes. 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to x square.
Sir, we cannot see video.
You are able to see now?
Sir, your video is off.
5 plus 2 root 6. It is coming. I will upload it, don't worry. 5 plus 2 root 6 x square. Now it is clear. Now we take 5 on this side. Yes?
Next step. Repeat the next step.
5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to x square. Now I will take 5 on this side. So 2 root 6 x square minus 5. We take 5 on this side, the sign change. We take 5 on this side, sign will change. Plus become minus. Then this I will divide by 2. So root 6 is equal to x square minus 5 upon 2. This 2 I will bring in the denominator.
Sir, we cannot.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This 5, this 5 I will take it on this side. Now it is clear.
Yes.
It is clear not. एक ही चाय की जरूरत नहीं करना देता हूँ. Sir, now it's clear. Sir, network.
not able to see.
Continue, sir.
Now it is coming. It is coming. 5 plus 2 root 6. Yes, what happened? In my laptop I am able to see clear.
Who is shouting?
Please keep all microphone on mute. Then only you will be able to hear. Root 6 x square minus 5 by 2. Now since x is rational number, x is rational number. Yes, no comment. Why there is too much comment? Keep microphone on mute. X is rational number. So x into x is also rational number. X into x is also rational number. X into x is x square is rational number. X square is rational number. X is rational number. It is given. Now we subtract 5. X square minus 5. This minus 5 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Because x square is rational number, 5 is also rational number. So x square minus 5 is rational number. Now we divide this by 2. So x square minus 5 upon 2 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Because x square minus 5 is rational number, 2 is rational number. So p by q is rational number, p by q. But what is x square minus 5 by 2? Root 6. So root 6 is a rational number. Root 6 is a rational number. This part you write as in the bracket and write as equation number 1. X square is rational number, equation number 1. Root 6 is rational number. Root 6 is rational number. But what is root 6? But root 6 is irrational number. Morning we have done root 3, root 5, they are irrational number. So we are getting root 6 rational number, but root 6 is an irrational number. Root 6 is an irrational number. Now what is root 6?
Sir, ask them if you are audible.
Is it audible to all of you?
Please respond.
Yes, is it audible to you? Root 6 is an irrational number. But what is root 6? X square minus 5 by 2. X square minus 5 by 2 is an irrational number. X square minus 5 by 2 is an irrational number. But 2 is not irrational. That means this part is irrational. That means x square minus 5 is an irrational number. Because 2 is not irrational. Again, this is irrational number, but 5 is not irrational. 5 is rational. That means this is irrational. That means x square is an irrational number. X square is an irrational number. This I will mark my equation number 2. So from equations 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, we get equation 1, we get x square is rational number. X square is rational number from equation 1, and equation 2 we get x square is an irrational number. X square is an irrational number. X square is an irrational number. Now any number will be either rational number or irrational number. If it is rational number, then it will not be irrational. If it is irrational, then it will not be rational.
सर आपका फैन बंद हो गया. Don't blame me, blame yourself.
क्या?
लेक्चर चालू कर रहे हो.
Is it going on? Are you able to see?
नहीं नहीं. ये मैं तो ऊपर गई थी इसे.
Are you able to see now?
कुछ हो रहा होगा.
टीम कॉल क्यों नहीं होता? मुझे तो मिले.
Are don't present. Who is there? Harsh Nayak. Keep your mute video. Harsh Nayak. Harsh Nayak, keep your video on mute. Equation 1. Now you are able to see? I am able to see clear in the laptop. Now you are able to see from equation 1, x square is rational number. From equation 2, x square is irrational number.
Sir, it is blurred. Yes, sir.
But I am able to see clear.
Sir, that's for the video. Yes. Sir,
Clear it is.
We will copy it in the notebook right now.
It is in my laptop. I am clearly able to see. So now I will proceed from 1, x square is rational number. from 2 x square is irrational number. Keep microphone on the mute. Now any number is either rational number
सर आपका डेटा 2 GB का खत्म हो चुका है.
x square is an irrational
सर
number.
वेट वी आर आउट ऑफ मीटिंग. ओके होपफुली सर. सर आपका 2 GB का डेटा ख़त्म हुआ है. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ सर? मूव करना होगा.
Now we'll continue. अरे you will be able to see, don't worry.
मैं करता हूँ. अरे अपने
बिल भेज देगी ना.
Now you are able to see.
लेने चलेगा ऐसा कोई गाड़ी नहीं है. नहीं चलता.
Yes, keep microphone on mute and now
चलता है.
all of you are able to see me.
मैंने तो आप म्यूटेड हो.
Now you are able to see me.
म्यूट होंगे. सर हाय सर हाय सर. हाँ सर बराबर से आते.
From these two,
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
from
सर अभी क्लियर आपने खुद को म्यूट किया हुआ है. अरे हम लोग को मालूम है पति.
now it is unmute, no?
Yes sir.
सर आवे सर.
Sir again it's coming blur.
अरे
Now see it is clear. It is clear now.
Sir explain how it is coming proper.
In between some.
Sir, they want to see or they want to hear your you want
Now
to
right. Now it is clear. I am able to see in the laptop.
हमने वो पार्ट लिखा नहीं था आपने रफ कर दिया.
No, no, no. I have not run.
Mute your microphone.
Right.
ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. हम लोग ने रफ कर दिया. हाँ वही नहीं लिखा सर हमने. नहीं लिखा सर आप फिर से लिखो ना. हाँ सर प्लीज.
I have not erased a single part. What I was teaching, that is there on the board.
अरे 5 plus सर it is देखो लेफ्ट साइड.
5 plus 2 root 6 x square.
नहीं रे ठीक है.
It is very much clear in the laptop. If you keep on.
Can you explain? Sir, 5 plus 2 root 6 was there is equal to x square.
Yes.
So we can write root 5 plus 2 into 6 x will be. No. Square is there. No.
No. This 5 I will take it on this side. Plus become minus.
Sir, x square is there, so we can write root 5 plus 2 into 6. Please write the starting of sum again.
There is no root 5. No, it is 5.
So, but square of 5 will be.
No. How you can write 5 as root 5?
Sir, root 5 will come. No.
Where 5 will?
X square is.
No.
X square is there.
X square is there. It will come root 5 plus 2 root 6 when you will take square root. Not only root 5 will come. It will take square root of whole term when you take square root. But there is no need to take square
Sir,
root.
explain it properly.
No, there is no need to take square root.
You hear properly, sir is explaining properly.
We are just taking 5 on the other side, plus become minus.
Keep quiet.
Plus become minus, plus 5 become minus 5, and there it is multiplication, we divide by 2. So we get root 6 as x square minus 5 upon 2. Now x is rational, x square is also rational, and 5 is rational, so x square minus 5 is rational. X square minus 5 is rational, divide by 2 is also rational. But what is x square minus 5 by 2? Root 6. So root 6 is rational,
Sir, वीडियो बंद हो गया.
but root 6 is irrational.
वीडियो बंद हो गया.
Root 6 is irrational. So from 1 and 2, we get that x square is rational as well as irrational both. Any number will be either rational or it will be irrational. If it is rational, it will not be irrational. If it is irrational, it will not be rational. But you are getting x square as both rational as well as irrational, which is a contradiction.
Yeah.
Which is a contradiction, and we arrive at the contradiction because of wrong assumption that
Sir, why you written x is
yes,
sir, since and how x into x came, x is only there then.
x is there, no?
So you have written x into x, how it came.
X is rational if one number is rational. For example, 2 is rational. 2 into 2, 4 is again a rational. Same thing, x is rational, so x into x square is also rational, because we want to get this form. Then
Excuse me, sir.
x square is rational, 5 is rational, x square minus 5 is rational. X square minus 5 is rational, divide by 2 is also rational. So p by q is also rational, but x square minus 5 by 2 is
Sir,
root 6.
all the even numbers are rational.
Yes, not all even.
Numbers are rational.
Not all even. A number which can be written in the form of p by q are rational numbers. For example, 2 I can write 2 upon 1, so 2 is rational number. 5 I can write 5 upon 1, so 5 is a rational. 2 by 3 rational.
Sir, why
Yes.
you have written x square minus 5 is a rational number?
Yes, because x square is rational, no? And 5 is rational. So, 1 x square is rational, 5 is rational, their subtraction will be also rational. Because there will not be any square root anywhere.
Sir, why
Yes.
you are subtracting?
Because we want to get x square minus 5 by 2. This term we want to get. From x, we want to get this term. So that this term I can write root 6. So therefore, root 3 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Because of wrong assumption is
How
an
many mark equation will come?
yes,
4
How many mark equation will come?
4 mark. So when there is single term, use A by B method. When there is two terms, use X method. This you remember.
Yes, sir.
Single term, A by B method. Two terms, X method. Any number will be either rational number or it will be irrational number. It cannot be both. So at the end we are getting x square as rational number, x square as irrational number, which is not possible. A number cannot be both rational as well as irrational.
Sir, x square minus 5.2 is an irrational number. So where the 2 gone?
Because x square minus 5 by 2 is irrational, no? This is irrational too. Tell me, 2 is irrational or rational? 2 is rational. That means this part will be irrational, no? This entire number is irrational.
Sir, what will happen after 2?
And
upon 2.
that is what I am telling. This entire number is irrational.
Please understood.
Entire number is
Yes, sir.
irrational, but this is not irrational. That means this part has to be irrational. Is it clear?
Sir, आपका वीडियो.
But
Sir, where did the upon 2 gone?
That is what I am telling. That 2 I have omit because 2 is not irrational. This
Sir, you
entire
are omitting this.
yes, omitting this 2 because this entire part is irrational. No, entire part is irrational. We know that 2 is not irrational. That means this part has to be irrational. If entire number is irrational,
And sir, -5 what you done other -5?
then rest
35 students कितने साल चले गए?
5 is not irrational. No, entire number is irrational. 5 is not irrational. That means this part has to be irrational.
Yes,
Sir, lecture over.
So
Sir,
5 we
अरे
exclude.
यार, छी.
sir,
Yes.
lecture over. Bye. Sir, भूख लगा है. Sir, we are very hungry. भूख लगी, जोरों की भूख लगी. Sir, we have to see the board. Excuse.
We will extend.
Sir, second को.
See, we'll do second and third.
The 31 students इतने साल leave
Sir, we can go.
Second and third will be homework. You have to do.
Sir, we can go. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye sir, bye sir.
Thank you, sir.
No. Let me extend. Let me explain second part.
Bye, sir.
Let me explain second and third part so that you can start.
Sir, nobody is there. खाली 21 स्टूडेंट है सर.
पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम हो गया है.
So do second and third in the same way.
Okay sir. The question लिख के दो ना.
Second we have done.
सर
Second and third you try. Otherwise next time I will try.
हाँ सर next